Hey, mashed potatoes, Fungin' Master Dave here. Sorry I'm not on camera. I don't feel like shaving or putting on a shirt. Any hoozle, it's come to my attention that YouTube is going to be making some changes. You see, Google was recently hit with a $1.7 billion fine for gathering marketing information on children. And as a result, they've swung the pendulum completely the other way and have decided that channels that make content aimed at kids under 13 will now be very limited. Starting in next January, you won't be able to make comments under those channels, and subscribers won't be notified when a new video drops. And this is going to cripple the ability of those channels to make any ad revenue. But you're saying, Fungin' Master, you don't make videos for kids. You make dirty jokes, you work with dangerous chemicals and power tools. Yeah, I know that. And you know that. But one of the ways YouTube is going to determine if a channel is a kid's channel is, and I'm going to quote here from their official blog, we'll also use machine learning to find videos that clearly target young audiences. For example, those that have an emphasis on kids' characters, themes, toys, or games. So if an AI decides that Dungeons & Dragons is a kid's game, or Dungeons & Dragons plus crafting, or Dungeons & Dragons plus old toys, or plus glue sticks is kids themed, then this entire genre, the YouTube crafting community, will most likely go away. The D&D crafting community is a bunch of very creative people, and I'm not sure they'll keep making these videos with that much of an obstacle to monetizing them, when they could easily change the type of content they make to something YouTube considers not kid-themed. I don't want to see that happen. I don't want to see the community go away or change into something else. So what can we do? Well, for starters, contact YouTube and let them know that tabletop RPGs are not Candyland. Let them know you're an adult who enjoys watching videos about tabletop crafting and that it's not content for children. The other thing you can do is use your word of mouth. Starting in January, channels like mine may stop being recommended on YouTube. And that means more than ever, I need you to tell people about Miniature Mashup and the other crafting channels that you enjoy, because that may soon be one of the few ways left that new viewers can find us. Well, guys, hopefully, I'm getting worried over nothing. There's a chance that the AI won't target us, but knowing the way censorship and things like this tends to go, better safe than sorry. Just getting the word out there. Sorry to be a bearer of bad news, and I'll have new content out for you soon. Thanks for watching, guys.